The all-new Galaxy Note 10 and the Galaxy Note 10 Plus has arrived. And like every other Note, this one is feature-packed. So what are you waiting for? Let's dive in. Hey guys, this is Rupesh from Beebom.com, and Devinder from our team is in New York for the Galaxy Note 10 launch. And well, he went hands-on with the brand new Galaxy Note 10 and the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. So what are you waiting for? Let's take a look at the new features that the Galaxy Note 10 series brings. Now before we do that, I'd suggest you to hit the bell icon to get notified every time we post an awesome new video. Now that you've done that, let's take a look at some really cool Galaxy Note 10 features in, wait a sec, action. So this is the brand new Galaxy Note 10. Well, let's not waste any more time. Let's check out the features. Well, what's a Galaxy Note without its S Pen, right? Well, like every year, the Galaxy Note 10 brings its new S Pen with a lot of new features. Last year, Samsung added Bluetooth, and this year, the S Pen features an accelerometer and gyroscope for motion control. It basically makes the S Pen a magic wand. So you can still use the S Pen to take down notes, doodle on things, but you can now use air gestures to control the UI with S Pen. So you can control the UI, the apps, and a lot more. Here's an example. As you can see, you can now scroll in the browser through air gestures. Awesome, right? Here's another example. This is Devinder controlling the camera app with motion gestures on the S Pen. Now this looks super cool, and it seems to work really well and almost flawlessly if you ask me. So yeah, I'm super impressed. See, honestly, I'm not sure if this is just a nice party trick or actually something useful, but yeah, it's an impressive feature and it's definitely one of the highlights of the Note 10. Plus, all of these air gestures are customizable, so you can set them to work differently in different apps. Plus, Samsung is opening up the Air Actions SDK for developers, so we can expect this to work in more apps soon. So the Galaxy Note 10 borrows the triple camera setup from the Galaxy S10, which is great. But like the S10 5G, the Galaxy Note 10 Plus goes one step ahead and adds this fourth camera lens on the back. It's a 3D time of flight sensor, which Samsung is calling the depth vision camera. Now thanks to the depth vision camera, we get a couple of really interesting features. First up is AR Doodle, which lets you draw things in augmented reality and attach it to, say, a person's face, like this. And well, these things will remain attached on the person's face. Yeah, it looks pretty awesome, to be honest. The other cool feature, thanks to the new time of flight sensor, is 3D scanning. Now, we couldn't find the 3D scanning feature on our Note 10 Plus demo unit, but check out this demo of 3D scanning from Samsung. With this feature, users will be able to turn any object in the real world into a 3D object on their Galaxy Note 10. Yeah, just scan objects and create a 3D model of them that will be usable in photos or can be printed using a 3D printer. I think this is really cool and futuristic, and I cannot wait to try it out. Another feature that got us really excited in the Note 10 Plus is the ability to shoot videos with the live bokeh effect. Yeah, you can shoot portrait mode videos with the Note 10 Plus. Now here's a video shot from the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, and as you can see here, the background is blurred while Devinder is in focus. It's pretty cool. Apart from that, the Note 10 also has dual OIS and what Samsung calls super steady video stabilization. So videos should be pretty stable. Lastly, there's also a zoom-in mic feature, which is one of my favorite video features on the Galaxy Note 10. So what this does is, it makes sure that when users zoom in on the subject of the video, they'll also be able to zoom in on the subject's voice. Yeah, check out this video. Well, that was impressive, right? Now, I can definitely see this being handy. Now, apart from that, the Galaxy Note 10 also has various video editing features, which make the Galaxy Note 10 a capable video shooting and editing device. We found the Samsung DeX feature in the Galaxy Note 9 to be pretty impressive, but with the Note 10, it's got even better. The new version of DeX on the Galaxy Note 10 lets you plug the phone into a Windows laptop or a MacBook and bring up an interface with all the apps and your files on the Note 10. So this way you can access the files and apps on both your PC and on your phone. It's way better than connecting a mouse and a keyboard to a monitor to use DeX. Apart from that, Samsung has also partnered with Microsoft to bridge the gap between the PC and the smartphone. The Note 10 comes with the Your Phone app pre-installed so that Windows users will be able to mirror messages, notifications, and even the entire screen on their PC. That's not all, the Note 10 also comes with OneDrive sync support in the gallery. So yeah, it's all pretty good. The Galaxy Note 10, the Note 10 Plus to be specific, also amps up the charging speeds in the Galaxy Note flagship series. The Note 10 Plus comes with support for 45 watt super fast charging, which means the Note 10 Plus's 4500 mAh battery should charge up pretty quickly. Now 45 watt fast charging on the Galaxy Note 10 Plus is great, but what's disappointing is that the Note 10 Plus only comes with a 25 watt fast charger in the box. Seriously, that is disappointing for a highly priced phone. Anyway, the Note 10 Plus also has support for wireless power share, so you'll be able to charge other devices with it. And it has support for 20 watt fast wireless charging 2.0, which is really impressive. Now those are some of the most amazing new Galaxy Note 10 features, but there's obviously a lot more to the Galaxy Note 10 and the Note 10 Plus. First of all, the bad news is that the Galaxy Note 10 is the first Samsung flagship to not have the headphone jack. I mean, yes, Samsung bundles the USB-C AKG earphones in the box, but I'm not sure if it makes up for that. Samsung's also removed the Bixby button from the Note 10, which I think is a good move. Apart from that, the Note 10, like most Note devices in the recent past, is a gorgeous looking phone. Seriously, look at it. The metal glass design, the Infinity O display, it just looks beautiful. Yeah, it's a stunner. Anyway, under the hood, the Galaxy Note 10 is powered by the new 7nm Exynos 9825 or the Snapdragon 855 chipset with up to 12 GB of RAM, 512 GB of storage, and it has the usual flagship features like dual stereo speakers, the IP68 rating, and more. There's also the usual One UI on top of Android Pie. So like every year, the Galaxy Note 10 is a flagship phone that's packed with a lot of features. Yeah, there's a lot of new here. Like the new S Pen features, the new features with depth vision camera, the video capabilities, the new Infinity O design, and more. Yes, some of these features do seem a little gimmicky, and yeah, there are a few compromises. But hey, I will reserve a final verdict on the Note 10 when it arrives in India, so stay tuned for that. Well, that was our look at the new Galaxy Note 10 and the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, but what do you think? What are your thoughts on the new Galaxy Note flagship? Tell us in the comment section below. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and make sure to share it with your friends who have been waiting for the next Galaxy Note flagship. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, that's me signing off. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.